Hi, we are from class DIA3B. There are three members in this group, which is Fatullah Uzai, Afid Mirza, and my name is Safwan. This is an assignment for statistics for QMT subject. The title was, Do you prefer study or working after diploma during this pandemic issue, which is COVID-19, which is already affect the educational and working system in Malaysia. This survey is to analyze students' choice either study or working after completing their diploma. There are three main objectives. First, to see how students want to survive in their life during this pandemic issue. Number two, to encourage students to do their research about continuing their study or working after diploma. And number three, to improve students' thinking skills about making their decision after diploma. We already give 5 questions to the other people in order to gain some data. So here's some question. That we used was sampling method. Snowball sampling method. We choose this sampling method because it is appropriate with our service. This sampling method also called as chain referral method. We can get data of each students who have different characteristics. First, we prepare the question, then give it to a few people. We ask them to answer the question and ask them to spread that answer to their fellow members. That's how this methods work. Data collection, we use postal questionnaire. We choose this data collection method because we can obtain a quick result from respondent. We use platform Google Form to spread the question. This platform was familiar with our respondent and made them easy to use it. This method also takes zero costing because during pandemic COVID-19. This method can be done through online platform that respondent can answer it. That's all from me. Let's move to task 2.
On this section, we have taken all the data that we have collected from all the diploma students to make 4 graphs. 2 graphs for quantitative data and 2 graphs for quantitative data. We use pie chart and bar graph for qualitative data. On pie chart, we can see that all of the students have ambition to proceed their study, where 47% want to proceed their study to degree level, and the rest want to continue to higher level, where 29% on master level and 24% on PhD level. For bar chart, we can see that there are many answers that we got from students. The highest data for this graph is 25 people for services. We can identify that most of them like to work at services sector and others like to work at another sectors like tourism, manufacturing and others. Next, let's we see graph for quantitative data. We are using histogram and OGIF graph to present our data collection. For histogram graph, we can see that most of the students want to stop study and start working at range 25 to 25 years old by 23 students. Based on the data, students are likely to start working at young age. Just 3 students want to work at age 30 to 31 years old. For OGIF graph, we use this data to find the salary expected working after diploma. There are many of them want salary at range RM 1667 to 2333. It is because the graph line getting higher at this range. I think they choose salary at this range because this salary are reasonable for fresh graduate and diploma students. Let's move to Fotolog.
For task 3, we need to do data analysis for 2 quantitative questions. So for histogram method that present, if you choose study, at what age do you want to stop studies and start working? So the mean that we get from this question is 25.26 and the mode is 24.57 and the median is 24.85. So the distribution of skewness for histogram graph is skewed to the right. So for the ogive graph that present, what is your expected salary if you're working after diploma, is the mean that we get is 2,192 ringgit and 69 cent. So the mode is 2,022 ringgit and 23 cent. So and the last one is the median that we get is 2,099 ringgit. So the distribution of skewness for ogive graph is skewed to the right. So lastly, the conclusion that we can make for this assignment and from our respondent is, this show that student will prefer to study until degree, which is 47% from our respondent. The student mostly decided to work in service sector, which is 55.6%. It was normal for students who want to stop study until diploma because they may have some problems such as money and other barriers. Aside from that, 37.8% of them think that they will get 2,000 ringgit for their salary, which is reasonable as they become a fresh graduate workers. Nowadays, fresh graduate are really hard to get salary more than 3,500 ringgit. On top of that, some of students decide to stop study and start working at age 28 until 31, which is 13.33%. It was the lowest between other student choice. We think it was too late to start working at age 28 until 31 because they will be work until they old. This was usually that student already thinking about their future. It had been shown the student has improved their surviving skill better than before. So, the suggestion that we can make from this assignment is the administration of university in Malaysia that offer diploma course should do a career talk for a diploma student before they graduate. And the second suggestion is students should make a research about the advantage and disadvantage about working or continue study after diploma. So, here are some of the picture of our questionnaire and the picture of the respondent for our Google form and the survey. So, and lastly, we use a statistic book as our reference. So, that's all from us. Thank you.